Hello, my name is Keltie O'Connor, and today I'm bringing you your guide to your first time meditating, what types of meditation, yada yada yada. Let's go get zendo. Hi guys, I'm here with Carolyn, the owner of Home Studio here in Toronto, which is a meditation studio that I'm excited she's going to be bringing me through, doing a tour, and we're going to talk all there is to know about meditation. Quick, brief, 30-second elevator speed. What is meditation?
So meditation, 30 seconds.
Yeah, go.
Meditation. So meditation is really the practice of going inward. So the practice of reflection and being with yourself. We're so externally driven. We're so go, go, go all the time. We're on our machines. So we're very rarely kind of looking within ourselves, spending that quiet time to actually self-reflect.
Very common question. I'm guilty of it. I feel I can't meditate. I've done the apps.
Yes.
I know I can. I know it's a practice, but is it true some people just can't meditate?
So that's a myth. We like to believe that everyone can, but you're right, it's a practice. You do need to make that commitment, and the more that you do it, the easier and easier that it actually becomes. I think that's the big struggle with most people is when you say I can't, then people shut down. Meditation doesn't have to be something that you're committing to 30 minutes or an hour all the time. You can literally meditate in 2 or 3 minutes a day.
We'd all find 2 minutes. Like, no one's that busy.
No.
So this is my understanding, and now I've done a little bit of meditation. I know it's wrong, but is it just not thinking? Is that what meditation is?
And that it's a bit of a misconception. So a lot of people think that meditation is just clear your mind of everything. And it's actually not that, because it's very hard. We have so many thoughts a day. There's no way that we can totally empty our mind. It's about allowing thoughts to come in and then to gently leave without holding them in our mind, without judgment, without letting them affect our emotional health. So it's recognizing the thought, it's seeing the thought, and it's letting it pass.
That even just sounds like, oh, I just feel relaxed. Even myself, it's pressure, not thinking, and I'm just like stressed. I'm like, oh God, just don't think, don't think.
It's very common with so many people, right? Is like clear your mind, but the second that you start thinking that, you're having a thought. And then we're harsh and we're judgmental on ourselves, and that's where we start thinking we can't do this, it's too hard. So instead we actually say be curious with your thoughts.
Then the most important question, why do we meditate? What's the benefits? Why should anyone insert this 2 minutes or longer into their day?
And that's what really sold me as a mental health clinician on the benefits of meditation was the science behind it. You know, it benefits mental health, insomnia, cardiovascular health can be improved, gastrointestinal health, mental focus, mental clarity, athletic performance. There is so much clinical science behind why meditation actually helps us both mentally and physically.
We're gonna take you through the studio. This studio, I'm just gonna warn you, is amazing. So if you're in Toronto, you have to come. There's a dark room, there's a light room, there's a Himalayan salt room, which I'm already obsessed with, and I'm gonna take you guys through this right now. It's so relaxing. You're in the pink Himalayan salt room. How many pounds? 6,000 pounds. So what is this room? What is the benefits?
So we have 6,000 pounds of Himalayan rock salt here in our cave. So this is actually called healing therapy. So it's been around for hundreds of years.
Does that have to, like, my skin clears up whenever I'm there? Does the, like...
For 1 hour, it
Ooh.
Yeah, and then you can change like the difference. It's called chromotherapy, light therapy, and it like changes.
Ooh.
Yeah, therapy as well. The different wavelengths of light actually do different things for our body. So it's choose for you.
Blue's my favorite color, so what would that be? Stimulates muscle and skin scales, nerve. I probably need that.
Before we begin, I usually give students a little bit of lavender. It just helps relax the muscles and calm the mind. And what you can do is rub your wrists together, take a little whiff. You can rub it on your neck if you want. It's going to help settle the mind and just help you go into a deeper state of rest. And then you can just sit there and close your eyes. And we're going to start to breathe in really slowly together, nice deep for a second, and then slowly let it go. Then find that little stillness at the end, and slowly start to breathe in again. Inhaling and exhaling. And as you begin to breathe like this, you're going to start to find your body getting a little more relaxed. And I'm just going to begin to guide you through a gentle relaxation of the body, starting from the head. I want you to focus on your forehead, where the third eye is. Just allowing the body to relax, unclenching the jaw. That pause still, and then slowly let go. Sensation begins to move down over the ribs. Breathing in, feeling the body softening, getting nice and heavy as you fall into this deeper state of relaxation. Feeling safe, secure, just giving yourself this time and space to be here, and everything relaxing to the ankles, breathing in, feeling that relaxation slowly taking over, still breathing, feeling at peace, you want and desire. So if nothing more, you forgive this person simply because you want to move on. Feel this forgiveness moving towards you. And all of a sudden you feel lighter, knowing that forgiveness is easy. Not necessarily forgetting what happened, but moving forward and learning from it, allowing it to make us better and not bitter. Of the past that you cannot change. But what you can change is how you feel about it and how you react in the present moment. So you choose forgiveness. Anything we want, anything we desire, but we often are so distracted that we cannot really focus on what it is we came here for. So ask yourself this now. Who am I? What does your career look like? How do you spend your days in this perfect potential future? And we're just going to take a little bit of a break now. We're going to come back right where we left off, and I'm just going to get you to move around so we get some flow going on, get those chakras open. Push the stomach up into the spine, rolling the head down, chin to chest, exhale. And then as we inhale, we drop the belly down towards the ground, rolling the shoulders back. We're going to expose the throat chakra here. Inhale. Beautiful. So as we inhale, we're going to come up, activating the solar plexus just underneath the navel, holding here for 2 breaths. Very good. And then exhale, hands into heart center. We're going to inhale, lengthen through the crown, and we're going to exhale, twist towards the right. Hooking to puppy pose, which is really good for activating the throat chakra. So as we exhale, move the hips, and we just stretch out. It's kind of an intense pose, so just breathe here. Fingers touch. Place it on your third eye, and we're going to connect our third eye to the ground in child's pose. And you can get yourself nice and comfy now as we're coming into the chakra balancing. Still breathing in, everything is slowing down as you breathe in so deep. By focusing on the root chakra, to breathe. Loving relationships, friendships. I have friends and family who support me. I have food on the table. I have air to breathe. I have everything I need. And once I move into this sensation of surviving, I can move into thriving as I allow myself to connect to my higher needs. All that you have to feel good, allowing this to vibrate, giving yourself permission to do the things that you love. Feeling it starting to burn, nice and warm like fire, which is the element of this chakra. And you can have anything that you dream of and you desire if you believe. Love yourself first and foremost, to put your needs first, knowing that by doing this you can radiate and vibrate even higher by focusing on what you want, allowing yourself to align with this truth, let this love radiate from you as you learn to let go and forgive others, bringing in compassion, vision. I want you to focus on that. And knowing that the universe is there to guide you each and every single day by showing you signs. And it's for you to close your eyes and to look inside and to see the truth. And I want you to tune into your crown chakra, which is just above the head. This is where a soft spot is on a baby when they're born. It's where the soul enters the body. And where it leaves when you cross over, this is what connects you to the oneness of the universe.
Oh, perfect. No, I love this. This is like more than I expected. It's great. So class is all done. Best way to describe right now how I feel is two things. You know when you wake up from massage, you're just like, oh, I'm in bliss. I feel that, but I also feel super motivated, which I totally did not expect when meditating. When I think inspirational speeches, and then I think of football coaches like screaming, not this like cute, beautiful little girl just handling me, which in essence I feel exactly
It
motivated.
wasn't me, it was...
Yeah, that was saying I didn't expect it meditating, and I think we almost think of it as more to hold us back from success, because it's like, oh, you gotta stop, relax, it's just self. But now I feel more motivated to go do this. I'm a very type A, go, go, go person.
A lot of different meditations, like sometimes it is just about trying to find that stillness in that space. I personally do this one because I have used a similar one myself, and I find that it helps me not only like bring clarity to what I want, figure out a way on how to achieve it. For manifesting, it's like we want something, but we don't think we deserve it. So I feel like this is where you find that harmony between.
I know like imposter syndrome. I know it's something I suffer from. I would love to go over some like tips and tricks. One, I didn't expect you to do a few little yoga things, so don't wear jeans. I just happen to have jeans on. Working with definitely think yoga clothing would probably be best, what she's wearing. Way better example. A lot of different forms of meditation. There's apps you can use, there's Calm, there's Headspace. If you don't have access to a beautiful studio like this, I know there's YouTube videos, but there's also different disciplines and whatnot. It's just not meditation.
Yeah.
So what else is there?
There's like what we did today was a little bit of visualization and kind of that alignment of the emotions and drawing upon the senses. So it's a really active meditation. At the beginning we did the pranayama, which is just breath work. That is super important because out of all the things that will change throughout your entire life, breath is the one thing that stays with you. If you can tune into that, you can use it to get through painful situations, you can calm yourself. So that's like the most important part of meditation. So many different types. There's active breath work, there's really relaxing ones. So we did just like a touching one today. I did a little bit of the chakras. Active meditation, like literally washing the dishes and having your mind wander, is meditation. People don't realize that you can really meditate anywhere. Use Headspace. I think it's a little different when you have it in person.
100%.
Yeah.
Way better. It's the fast food of meditation,
Yes.
lack of better
It's a
terms.
good one. So many different ones. One of the girls here, she does a lot of stuff where it connects you to nature, and then another guy, he just is about the mindfulness. So it's kind of removing yourself from all the mind scatter. I did a Vipassana retreat, which is a very specific technique of like body scanning, and it's supposed to be removing internally like a purification. Like it doesn't have to be just sitting in silence, not moving. Like I think that's what a lot of people think meditation is.
Yeah.
It gives you the ability to reprogram the brain. So.
Oh, I love that. So many different people are getting into it. You see CEOs, you see professional athletes, you see celebrities. So it's not just the average person, but the average person can use it. It's kind of a well spectrum, like saying we should all be doing it. It's a pillar of health. Last thing, now that I've done this, I'm gonna go on with my day. Any recommendations of anything else I should do in my day, or can I just kind of go about?
I think, well, you did get a little Reiki. What I recommend is drinking water and to not be so in tune to technology at first, just because you're going to be still absorbing stuff. And to just be a little more mindful, doing all those little things, somebody let you in front of them, just being grateful.
Thank you for taking me through. Thank you for tuning in. I hope you guys learned a bit more about meditation, what you can expect. Of course, I was lucky I got to go to actual meditation studio. You can use those apps, YouTube, like I said. If you're in Toronto, come check out home. All their information down below. And thank you for tuning in like always, and I'll see you guys soon.